you see what's going on. Man, I finally get the degrease and power wash and scrape and scrub this firewall and this frame and all the shit I couldn't get to with the motor in the car. Man, I've been wanting to do this for the longest, and this was the perfect opportunity to get all in the nooks and crannies of everything. So I power wash, degrease, dried. Now it's time to prep and paint. Let's go. Painted everything, that way when I change out my upper and lower control arms, you know, I ain't got too much to clean up, but yeah, that's how we rolling. I stuck a spray can in there and it went crazy, man. Went crazy with the chassis black, but it turned out amazing. Drop the beat. Here we go. So I got everything painted and installed, and a lot of my polished pieces put in, and man, I'm just really just going over the car, putting all the screws in that I took out, because man, I took out a lot of pieces and really didn't remember where they went in certain screws, but I wind up getting all that back going. So now I'm just putting everything really back where it go, and getting ready to jump on the suspension. That's next. Upper, lower. I need to do the rear end. Man, change out the diff cover, paint the rear end. I need to get me a dry shaft, but yeah, man, it's slowly coming together. So stay tuned for the next video. Stay tuned for the next update. We're gonna be working on the rear of the car next. So like, subscribe, hit me up, drop a comment too. Let me know what y'all think about that blue suspension, man. How you think that's gonna hit?